built this house in 2004, and we really hadn't done any work to it. And we were deciding, do we stay in this house? Is this our forever house? Do we move somewhere else, build something else? Our kids were getting older, so we decided, no, we want to stay, and let's then do a reno.
This project was brought to us from the contractor, Jim Klassen with Sandalwood.
Our builder, who built our house in 2004, said, hey, listen, there's this lady, I worked on another house with her, maybe you should give it a chance. He says she does kind of the architecture also and the designing, so it's more than just a design person.
So she walked me around the house over FaceTime. It was right at the beginning of COVID, so nobody was really sure what to do.
So we met Madeline and Tyler, and from the second we said we didn't like the outside of our front entrance, and from the time that they brought the drawings back, that just nailed, like I think the first drawing was what we went with. Both Brian and I just said, it's so easy, like they get it. They get what we want.
They wanted to modernize it, they wanted to make it more contemporary. We talked about reusing some elements and trying to kind of incorporate some of the existing home, but the project really just grew and we ended up stripping it right back.
We couldn't see what this house could be, I think. My husband for sure did not think we were gutting it, down to studs, and that's what it was.
She had somewhat of a vision of what she wanted to see, but needed help kind of conceptualizing that and creating the look as a whole.
I knew as soon as we clicked with that outdoor drawing that I wouldn't have to spend my whole life now building this house. Like Madeline was gonna do it.
I could just tell that she was really looking forward to working with somebody that would really see the project through right to the end.
She brought us like 3 choices on everything we did, and Brian and I agreed on everything, and yep, that's good, we're done. And that's how it went. The whole process went like that.